Hello, and welcome to Master Clinicians on Demand. This is a beginner-level course on laceration repair. My name is Professor Edward G. Russo. I'm an emergency medicine physician assistant and also a clinical assistant professor at Stony Brook University's physician assistant program. One of the core procedural skills needed to work in the emergency department, urgent care setting, and family medicine practice is basic laceration repair. Most of you have learned this in either medical school, PA school, or nurse practitioner school, but not everyone knows or remembers all the finer techniques. If you're a new clinician, this is the perfect beginner's course. If you're an attending who hasn't done procedures in a while, this is a great refresher course. Today, we will review the steps of initial assessment of wound management, demonstrate various suturing methods and techniques, and alternative closure methods like wound staples and tissue adhesive glue. The following objectives will be met by the end of this course. You will learn different approaches to laceration repair closure. You'll learn anesthesia techniques depending on the wound presentation. You will learn 6 suturing techniques, including simple interrupted stitches, continuous stitches, subcutaneous stitches, buried stitches, vertical mattress stitches, and horizontal mattress stitches. You will learn indications for alternative closure techniques, including stapling, medical adhesive glue, and steri-strips. If you have purchased a suture kit and silicone model, we recommend practicing after watching each of the tutorial videos. If you feel you need more one-on-one training, you can always register to our Master's Clinician laceration workshops that are held several times a year. Mastery of all these techniques and skills takes time, repetition, and practice. We recommend using this course as a guide as you continue your training. I hope you enjoy this course. Thank you.